Hi, this is your Karate Master Jogindra Paswal. In this session we are going to practice how to do inner swing and same how to do inner kick. Similarly, outer swing and outer kick. Let's see how to do inner swing and inner kick. Okay? See here. This is your position. Right leg back position. Curve your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is inner swing. Now inner kick. Now I am going to do inner kick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is inner kick. See, there is a difference between inner swing and inner kick. See here, first we did inner swing directly from back side. See, directly that right leg you have to lift here, and directly we are doing inner swing without bending your knees. See, inner. Here we are not bending our legs. Straight and putting back. Face guard. See, straight. This is inner swing. It is used to stretch our leg, and it is also used to block the kick or block the punch. Right? Now let's see difference between inner swing and inner kick. Now I am going to do inner kick. See, in the inner kick, back leg first we will bend, then do the kick, okay, take back. This is inner kick. Inner kick. See, inner kick. We are hitting here, slapping here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will show you similarly outer swing first. See, this is outer swing. Straight. 2. This is swing. It is also we are using this to stretch our leg and for blocking kicks or punches. Okay, see, outer. This is straight outer. This is outer swing. Okay, now I am going to show you how to do outer kick. See here. 2. Before this, while I doing inner kick, I told you how to do inner kick. Like that, similarly, lift your leg, bend first, then do the outer, again take back. This is outer, right? Face guard. See, outer. This is outer kick. There is a lot of difference between inner swing and inner kick. Similarly, outer sweep and outer kick. I hope you all understood the difference between inner swing and inner kick. Similarly, outer swing and outer kick. Practice this for 2 swings and 2 kicks with both legs around 15 to 20 counts. I hope you enjoy this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.